Good morning, students. Today we will discuss new chapter name geometry. First we will discuss basic geometrical idea, in which we discuss curves and polygon. First we will discuss what is meant by curve. Observe curves, a set of a point forming a continuous line is called a curve. Means a set of point which form a continuous line is called as a curve. There are types of curve. First, open curve. What is meant by open curve? A curve in which the end do not meet called open curve. You can observe this figure. Just see, this is your figure, and this is your initial point and this is your terminal point or end points. These are never meet anywhere, then we can say that this is an open curve. And what is meant by curve? Curve is a set of point, means here there are infinite number of points, they are joined together with a line, continuous line is called as a curve. Means this is one kind of a curve, and if you observe this figure, this is an open curve. Why it is an open curve? Because whose end do not meet anywhere, that is why it is called as a open curve. Observe this figure also. This figure is started from this point, here, and end at this point. You can observe these two end point never meet anywhere, that is why this figure is called an open curve. Now we are moving toward the next point, closed curve. Now we are going to discuss about the closed curve. What is meant by closed curve? A curve such as circle or a triangle that complete a loop is called as a closed curve. Closed curve has a no end point. Means you can observe a curve such as a circle. Means you can observe this circle. We cannot say his starting point is here and end point is here. Means we cannot say, or we cannot locate, or we cannot show the end point and initial point of anywhere in this figure. Then we can say that this is an closed figure. Now you can observe next figure. Here we cannot say this figure is starting from this point or this point or this point. We cannot say, it's they don't have a, means it is an loop but don't have or no end, means it has a no end. Then we can say that this is an closed figure. You can observe this square also. Here we cannot say this figure do not have a end point, that is why this is called an closed figure. I hope you understand and keep in your mind what is meant by the closed figure, closed curve, what is meant by open curve and curve. Curve means one kind of a set of point forming a continuous line. You can this is a continuous line, this is also a continuous line. Is called as a curve, and whenever they whose end points never meet anywhere, then you can say that it is an open curve. And if we cannot locate their their initial point and terminal point, or we cannot show that its end point, then that figure is called as a closed figure. I hope you understand this part. Now we are moving toward the polygon. Poly means many, gon means angle, means those figure which shows many angle, we can say that this is an polygon. Polygon, a plane figure bounded by a number of straight line, means the figure which is bounded by a number of straight line is called as a polygon. You can observe this figure is bounded by this. This is straight line, this is line, this is straight line, this line. Means this figure is bounded by or joined by a straight line, then we can say that this is an polygon. Okay, here also one side, second side, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth side, means these are 8 lines, straight line joined to each other, then we can say that this figure is a nothing but a polygon. Here also this is a straight line, this is a straight line, this is straight line, this is straight line. They are joined together, they are bounded together. Then we can say that this is an polygon. I hope you understand. Now we will discuss some remark. Any two side with a common endpoint are called as adjacent side of a polygon. Observe here, any two side, this side and this side. Okay, now common endpoint, here is a common endpoint, are called as adjacent. This side and this side are adjacent to each other. Again you can observe this side and this side, here common point is this. You can say that this and this are the adjacent. Adjacent means near to each other. Okay, I hope you understand adjacent side. Here also you can say that this line and this line, this is the common point. Then you can say this line and this line are adjacent, or you are observe this line and this line, you can see that this line and this line are adjacent because they are having a common point here. Okay, I hope you understand. Now we are moving toward the next. The end point of a same side of a polygon are called as adjacent vertices. Means end point. Now this line and this line, and here one point is there. If suppose I say that this A, B, C, this side AB and BC, this is the common point. Okay, now the end point of the same side, end point of this side and this side, okay, same side of a polygon are called as adjacent vertices. Means this part and this part are adjacent vertices of a given line segment. Okay, I hope you understand. Then lines, the line joining the non-adjacent vertices are called as a diagonal of a polygon. Means the line joining to the non-adjacent vertices, means this side and this side. Okay, these two sides are not adjacent to each other. Why? Because they don't have a common point. Then we can say that these are not adjacent. But if I join this AC point, okay, this AC, I hope you understand, because if I show that this is joining point AC, now this is called as, this AC is called as a diagonal of a polygon of, I hope you understand, the line joining the non-diagonal, the line the non-diagonal vertices, the line joining the non-adjacent vertices. Adjacent, these are non-adjacent vertices. This A and C are not a non-adjacent vertices. Then we can say that AC is an diagonal. Now fourth, a polygon is always a closed figure made up of only line segment. A polygon is always closed figure. So observe, this is an closed figure. Okay, and only by a line segment, means this line segment, this line, means these all points are joined by the line segment. Then you can say that this is an, I hope you understand,